All right, good morning, everyone. It is 7:52 in the morning of November the 17th, 2021, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So it's a little bit early for a strategy session right now. There could be some more stuff popping up a little bit later, but as of right now, there really isn't a lot going on. I've got ZIM here, and I actually put Fibonacci on ZIM. I don't remember when I was looking at it. But it must have been at some point after the 16th of September. And I've got a Fibonacci that extends from the bottom of the candle on the 27th of July here to the top of the candle on the 16th of September. And what we have right now is you can see the 75% level that I like to use. The price is right there against that 75% level. Broke through it just a tad. Tiny little tail at the top of that candle, and is now just kind of looks like it's hitting a ceiling right there. If it can break above, retest, and then continue on, then it'll be a trade. Then the only other thing that is here is Valvoline. Not a lot of shares traded on this one this morning so far. Let's see. Yeah, 1,000 shares. Not even really worth looking at right now. Maybe when it gets closer to the bell, it'll do something different. And then YQ. YQ just did a reverse split, a 1-for-4 split? Where is that? There it is. Yeah, a 1-for-4 split. And so pre-market here, it's at about $3 a share, I think. Let me pull it up here. Yeah, it's at $3.07 a share, so it did a reverse split. That puts its shares outstanding at 173 million. Well, actually, I don't know if that's this. If you look down here, you can see down in this area right in here, you can see the share count. So I don't know if that's adjusted or not yet, 173 million. So anyway, yeah, I don't know. There might be some excitement around that. I'm not really sure. Don't put a lot of weight on it. Let's see, the broader market here. We'll go over crypto since crypto is up first. Here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pulled back a bit. There's some kind of legislation passed recently. I don't know anything about it. I really don't follow crypto too closely. Yeah, there's some kind of a legislation passed that's going to tax or, and then eventually there's going to be regulation and so forth that surrounds all this cryptocurrency stuff. So it's pulling back a bit. Got some people selling. I don't know, why. There's probably a good reason, but I don't know it. INVU had another decent day yesterday, up 11.32%. It's kind of nice. Everything, Riot took a big dip, and so everything's kind of catching. Riot, MicroStrategy, and Bitto, they all took pretty severe dips yesterday. And so they're all kind of doing a dead cat bounce or doing a little bit of a recovery. I don't know. To whether these things, pop up, pull back, and continue on, or whether they pop up and just die off, who knows? I don't know, but we will see. Sino actually did a pretty decent job of recovering yesterday, all in one day. Started to drop down here, and actually you can see it went right down to its previous open and tested it there, 374. And the low on the day was 373, and so people started buying it up right there. It's kind of nice. Large caps and stuff. Let's see the SPY. If the SPY opened up right now, it's up at 0.06% lower than its previous close. Prices are hanging around up high. It's things are bullish. We had this little, this little dip right here, 1.83% dip. And now it's pretty much recovered those levels again. So, given a little bit more time, I think there could be a small like A, B, C, D pattern, and then a breakout. We'll see what happens. I imagine that's what's going to happen, though. This kind of formation. Then after we come back from Thanksgiving, then we'll start seeing some more bullishness. That's my guess. The VIX, the VIX is still hanging out low here. Keep drawing, what I mean to use the crosshairs here. Okay, so the VIX here had this little, went down below the support line right here. Popped back up and down below again. I think the next go around, the next drop below this red support line here is going to be dramatic. And we ought to be looking at a break below this lower end of the risk range here at 1426, a retest, and then kind of, see it bobble around down here for a while, which will be extremely bullish. Right now, I like the 3 strikes you're out rule. So here we had 1 strike. This is the VIX trying to break down below this rising support level. Here struck out, here struck out, here struck out, and then we go on to hit some higher highs on the VIX for a little bit. Now, I don't know whether I would call this one 1 strike or 2 strikes. I don't know if this is all kind of the same body of motion here, or if this is 2 strikes right here. Little happy smiley face there. So we'll see what happens. Could be this is the 3rd strike right here, and if it is and it can't get below it, then we'll see another bout of volatility. And then perhaps another. November or January and February are traditionally bullish months as well. So, all right, everybody, that's my pre-market strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.